GT1 Pro. Are these the world's best budget earbuds for fitness on the market right now? When your mind is stuck in the past, we often go for a run, and sometimes we might do something physical. Every runner has a day when running is the last thing they want to do. For that little extra motivation, music elevates our mood and performance. Studies find that using headphones during exercise helps us stay focused. So why is choosing the right pair of workout headphones for us a massive problem? Research shows that headphones separate individuals from others in life situations. The headphones industry recognizes this physical distancing and monetize it. They know you like to be alone together online. And it can be confusing trying to make sense of all the different headphones out there. Our expectations are increasing as we want more from our technology. They must be more fashionable, more attractive, with more colors. And when you factor in the cost of innovation, cost of labor, and additional features, this all contributes further to the exorbitant price we pay. For the common person that averages 1 or 2 exercises a week, you don't need expensive earbuds. And you should ask yourself, do I need the best quality sound to get fit and healthy? Because ultimately, that is the goal, right? So is Xiaomi's GT1 Pro priced at $1899 the best budget headphones available? Given our modern lifestyle, I own a couple of headphones for different purposes. Choosing them is more nuanced than you think though. For me, it is essential that a pair of running headphones can handle the strenuous activities that I will undertake. I'm not expecting premium quality, but I'd like good quality, and also I'd like for the price to fall within £30 to £50. With this in mind, I can eliminate Beats by Dr. Dre Power Beats Pro, priced at £219, and the Bose SoundSport 3, priced at £179. Then in the middle of the spectrum, there's the JBL Reflect Flow. However, they are priced at £99 on Amazon, still too pricey. Now we're in the low end of spectrum, and I have tried many of them out. I finally settled on and liked Halo's True Wireless GT1 Pro, although there was a last minute competition from Halo's GT1, Xiaomi's Redmi AirDots and Mi AirDots. The Redmi and Mi AirDots all compared similarly when tested for sound quality. So, what's in the box? 3 pairs of ear caps, the earbuds, a charging case, charging cable, and a manual. The earbuds work in an operation range of 10 meters. A single earbud has a battery capacity of 43 mAh. A single earbud weighs 3.9 grams. Calling time is 3.5 hours, and the Bluetooth transmission is 5.0. Charging case time is 3.5 hours. The case is in slick black matte. Battery capacity 800 mAh. For context, Xiaomi's Redmi AirDots and Mi AirDots, their battery life is 300 mAh. Take the earbuds from the case to power on them, or touch both panels for 1.5 seconds to power on earbuds. A LED will glow solid white when not in case. Put earbuds back into the case to power off, or touch both panels for 4.5 seconds. The LED will glow solid red for 2 seconds when that's done. Mic is on top of the earbud, touch panels here. In terms of the charging case, 4 LEDs will blink 3 times to display practical battery level whenever you open and close the lid. Then LEDs will glow for 10 seconds to show battery level. If the battery is under 25%, 5%, LED will blink white 3 times and then turn off and re-blink 3 times. In terms of the actual sound quality, the Bluetooth uses Advanced Audio Coding or AAC sound quality codec to transfer music. The sound is clear, the bass is punchy with soft, clear, mid-high sounds. I wasn't expecting quality on par with, say, the Sony 1000XM3. That's on another level, which is a premium quality sounding headphone. The sounds here in these earbuds are good for the purpose. They're great for running, and I like them for what they are. You can still separate the different instruments somewhat in these earbuds. For any Android users, Bluetooth pairing was easy and fast. In terms of latency, you get mixed results. You can enjoy videos without lag, but if you're a gamer, you might find these a little slow. Some app games do work well with them. Noise cancelling lets in enough external noise for you to stay safe when you're running, but at the same time you can still enjoy your music or podcasts. I jog through pollution hotspots, so it helps knowing when a hybrid car creeps up on you from behind. If you're looking for a pair of budget fitness earbuds during this pandemic, I say look no further. Mindful spending requires some discipline. The GT1 Pro gives my workouts a sense of joy, satisfaction, and allows me to focus on performance. When I get in after my day's running, I remove the GT1 Pro. I leave them in a bowl near the door for my next day's workout. I'm happier, healthier, and feeling as balanced as ever. If you have any earbud suggestions that are cheap and ideal for working out, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.